Hello guys, today we are playing Minecraft. I built a roller coaster so much big. I'm letting it. This is Minecraft. Why he is not the let's done. Why is not the restaurant here? My Minecraft is going backwards, guys. Let's go. Broken. That's right. Let's touch once. Go speed. Let's keep it power here. Let's go again back. Zigzag. Up we go. Zigzag. Up we go. Up we go. Up we go. Up we go. Down we go. Up we go. Stop. Let's go start. Up we go, down we go, up we go, down we go, up we go, down we go, zigzag, 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 stop. Bye guys, see you in the next video. Comment what I should do. Please like and subscribe. I want to hit 20 subscribers, guys. Bye. See you next time.